WebFOCUS 9 offers great capability to search within the repository. So using that search capability in here, we could search for whatever we have in our repository. So we get all the search results that cover a certain need on the search. But sometimes there's an issue that your search is out of sync. For example, you updated the system and there was an issue with the search index, or for whatever reason you want to re-index all the content of your repository. And to do so, that's quite easy. So the only thing you have to do at the end is go back to the workspace, toggle to admin mode in here. So you have to be signed in as an administrator, of course. And if you want to re-index your repository, just select workspace from in here, right click on that one, select properties, and that capability in here allows you to manually refresh your search index. By default, this is done automatically. So whenever you create a new item, it's automatically indexed. But if you have to refresh your index manually for whatever case, because some updates or you see any inconsistency in your search, that's going to be the easy way to re-index all your content. You're going to see it's running for a while because I got a relatively large repository in here with a lot of content. So it's indexing, and now index is completely refreshed with latest information. Again, it's nothing you have to do manually unless you're seeing any kind of issues because of an upgrade or whatever. So, but nice one, easy way to update your index.